Okay guys, this is a really badly thrown together video. I don't know what went wrong here. We're starting off with this Marples vice, alright? I'm going to strip it down. I haven't got the footage of cleaning it or anything, I'm sorry. But it all comes together in the end. You get to see lots, you just don't get to see the work. And there's a tappity tap. I'll take that over here. I ain't got to show you that, have I? And there you go, that's out. Fucking hell, that was a bit of overkill, that one, wasn't it, really? Oh, look, there's no... Ugh. Ugh. No spring on that fucker. A lot of manty grease. Right, that will be taking a trip over to the wire wheel and it will be getting sprayed today. Moving on now. Okay, so I picked up this, which is a 36-inch. And this, which actually looks like a little baby now compared to that. This is a 24-inch. So this, a collection from this. 20 notes. Unbelievable, eh? So, I'm not going to strip these down to them. They're quite good. I'm going to take the rust off and see what we got. So let's have a look at it now. Okay, so that's the two big ones done. Get that off. And let's get some bee poop. Have to get some more, definitely got to get some more. Did look the other day but couldn't find it. It's very hard to find this with just olive oil in. I have now found it and I'll put the link down below. There's several options. I go for the unscented. That one's the 36. All I've done, I've done the heads and the bodies I've just very quickly hit with the wire brush to take off any flaky paint. And I've sprayed over the other paint that's on there. Because I just haven't got time at the minute. I don't know why. And a third one. Oh, you may ask. You may say to yourself, 3, you only showed us 2. Well, that's right. But you know what it's like. Once you start getting into it, and you start getting a bit of a clean on, you grab another one that's hanging around and you think, I'll just do that as well. But this is a special one, this one. I mean, you got to wait about a minute. I've got to wait 24 hours for the paint to dry. Right. Like I say, run that up the threads are covered in beeswax, so it's the easiest way to get it on the inside of the thumb wheel. It's a lovely thumb wheel on this one. Put some on the inside of the thumb wheel anyway, but you know, it's everywhere now, isn't it? It's like fucking proper grease. And that also spreads it in the gaps in here. I've done that, fucking hell, do it again. But double dosage on that as now. This one's very hard to go on. That's it. Once it's on, it's alright. Okay, so this you may all wish and want to know. You're all close. You're all really close. Couldn't trick any of you. Got it sheerly for the novelty value. £1.50. Right, that's about, it's not even $2. Yeah, this was £10. So I think it's the same seller of these two, and so that cost nothing on the postage. So I mean, you could equal it out or whatever, but no, because I've got a lot of pipe wrenches. I'd never seen one of these, so I thought, well, got to give it a go. Ain't seen one come up before. Scandia, it's got a nice diamond and everything. It could be, I tried looking it up, couldn't find no information, so that told me one or two things. It's either really shit or really rare. So there we are. We'll go with really rare, shall we? That makes me feel better. Right. Back to today, and I don't even know what was in this video, what weren't, because I sprayed this 2 days ago. So I don't know. Don't know if this was in the vid or not in the vid. Don't know if there's anyone watching. I might have overdone it with my political statements. Alright. What are we doing? We're recording? We're recording. Right. Let's get this tape off. Alright, so back in there, you. Oh no, we've got to put this in first, haven't we? Put this in. Get that in there. Spring. Washer. Don't know if you can see this because the camera is round the wrong way. It is for you, it's not for me. There we go. Look at that. That's nice, isn't it? Got a lot of muck on that there somehow. Don't know how none of that happened. I'll make it shine again. So here's the monster. Let's get that. Right, there we go. Let's got that back together. And where was my little one for reference? There it was. Look at that. Oh dear, that must be about a 6-inch opening. Let's have a look. 5.5. Call it a 5 for safety, eh? Time for some pictures for eBay now of this 36-inch big one. And same again with the 24-inch one. And that third top jaw, done something special with. All gold, metallic gold. Right, what we've got here is a Stanley book. This is a price list, because I see Ben's thing online and, well, I thought, fuck it, buy everything with Stanley on it. And that's nowhere near as informative as Ben's book, is it? So, waste of money. Don't know what's in here. At first, I thought it was some assorted pliers at one. And yes, the box would be this heavy. Now I think it's something else. Because I don't think I've got one of these. If I have, I've mislaid it. Oh, there it is. Look at that beauty. Now, we should all know what this is by now. Now, again, this is the older version, because the jaw, you can see there, look, the jaw is only that big, that side. But this side, it's that big, yeah? Right. So, this is a record, what's the number? I can never remember. This is a record. That's a good idea to put it in this box. Good thinking. I'm going to keep that. Not looking good. I'm going to keep that for when I post one. Good thinking, Batman. Oh. And I wonder if they've used that spring under there. Don't know. I'll put that on my shelf. And other bolts for that. Let's have a quick look at it. It's a 1928, so I'm still after that elusive earlier model. Someone's had that apart reasonably recently. So, I mean, what to do now, isn't it? I know what to do. It's to take a picture with 5 of these in shots, because that's as rare as seeing a wildebeest at a Lions Only pub. Alright, let's get it out. Let's get it stripped, hey? Make sure you get the right size screwdriver for every job. No, that's not the right size. Neither's that. container. It's nice and smooth. That goes in the evaporist. First off, I thought there's no spring in there. That's a bit weird, isn't it? Someone's took it apart and put it together without the spring. Never mind. So, washer, spring, everything's going in the evapo. This end in the evapo. Right, that's it for today, so I'm going to say bye, and here's just a refresher of what I've done.